go to the airport now? You're beautiful, Betty Lou. You're a beautiful girl. You're so pretty. Yes. Are you a pretty girl? Are you gonna go to Canada? Okay. You're gonna be there today. Hi, Betty Lou. Oh, sweet girl. Sweet puppy dog. You're so pretty, Betty Lou. Look at your beautiful face. You're so beautiful. You're so pretty. You're beautiful. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, honey. Good girl.